everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn. I am Sterling Sahil here and I will be giving you the knowledge about the Bollinger Bands. As I have mentioned in the previous video, I will be sharing the knowledge about the Bollinger Bands. So I'll be giving the information about the Bollinger Bands and how it can be used in the technical charts. So, talking about the Bollinger Bands are a technical analysis tool which is developed by John Bollinger. Bollinger Bands are basically used to monitor for breakouts by looking for the price to break out to the upper or the lower Bollinger Band. So, how to plot and see the Bollinger Bands? I will show you just a second. So, we will gonna see the chart of IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. So here's the chart of IOB. So I have already put the indicator of RSI here as I have taught you in the previous video. You can see the RSI has given the breakout about the 70 level, and you can see the strike it has been formed in the candles. So we will just confirm it by applying Bollinger Band strategy. So we have to just go in the indicator section, then here type Bollinger Bands, and yeah, that's it. Then I will be just modifying it and it should be visible to us. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the overlook of a Bollinger Band. So the upper whiter line is called as the upper Bollinger Band and the lower one is called as the lower Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Bands are basically like here you can see the candle give the breakout above the Bollinger Band, and you can see they have made a scrolling momentum above the Bollinger Band. We have to target such types of momentum in the candlestick charts. So this will be our target, and you can see it's a daily chart. So it almost created 4 days momentum here. Now also the Oasis Bank has given the breakout above the Bollinger Band, and the second candle will be our target, will be our entry point actually. Same as the above, same it is in the downside. Just a second, I'll show you. Yeah, here it is. You can see how the Bollinger Band works in the downside moment. You can see whenever the candlestick cross the lower Bollinger Band, you can see here it and to cross check it, we can also see the RSI. Here the RSI have also crossed below 30 level. So this is our entry point, and you can see it almost created a 5 days rally here. So this will be our portion to target here. We have to target this portion to earn the profit, same as in the upper side as I have shown in here. So this will the second candle will be our target point. So that's it. That is the overlook of a Bollinger Band strategy. We have to just confirm it by applying the RSI strategy also, and there are many more indicators yet I have to introduce. So it will be the safest side to trade here. So thank you everyone. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe it. And if you have any queries related to these indicators, you can mention in the comment section. I will try my best to reply you. And yeah, thank you so much guys.